How to block YouTube on your computer. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to block your YouTube on your computer. So if you are currently accessing your YouTube just like this, then in this case, if you don't want to access or simply want to block the YouTube, then what you can do is just come over to this page and just any of your browser and just search in for, if you're using Chrome browser, just search in for Chrome Web Store in the extension. So you will land in this page, and if you aren't already, just head over to this extension page and just search in for site blocker just like this. So once you search in for site blocker, just come over here and click on or find the option called right at the top, this one here. Just tap on this and make sure you have installed or added this extension to your Google Chrome browser. So once you do that, you just have to wait for some time as it will automatically get installed and added as extension on your browser. So as you can see, I've already added it. So now you can just also pin it by simply tapping over here this puzzle icon and just tap on this pin button, and it will automatically pin that particular extension over here. So now all you've got to do is now just come over to any of the website which you are currently on live and just tap on this extension button over here, and you can see it will show you the particular website which you are on, and just tap on this block this site and just refresh the page. And when you refresh the page, your youtube.com will be automatically blocked just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.